If you're at an event that is using electronic punching, you will not have a punch card. Instead, you will have one of these. This is called an SI card. SI for Sport Ident, the people who make it. Many people just refer to it as a finger stick because you wear it on your finger. And the idea is that instead of punching with that red punch, you take the SI card, and at the control, besides the control flag itself and the number and the punch, there will be a box. This box is called the control box, and you take the finger stick and stick it in the hole at the box, and it records the fact that you have been there. Hopefully you heard that it also makes a little beeping sound. It also flashes, but that may not be visible in the daylight here. So that's how electronic punching works.